In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce PowerPoint file size. If your PowerPoint presentation is taking too long to upload, attach to an email, or share with someone else, reducing the file size can make a big difference. In many cases, large PowerPoint files are caused by high-resolution images and extra image editing data saved inside the presentation. The good news is that PowerPoint includes built-in settings that can help you make the file smaller without changing your slides too much. To get started, open PowerPoint and load the presentation you want to optimize. Once your file is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This will open the Backstage view where you can access the main settings for your presentation and the application itself. From there, click on Options. This opens the PowerPoint Options window, which contains a variety of settings that affect how PowerPoint handles content. In the list on the left side, click on General. After that, scroll down until you find the section for image size and quality. This is the area that controls how PowerPoint stores image data in your presentation, and it's one of the most useful places to adjust when you want to reduce file size. In this section, click on the option to discard editing data. This setting removes extra information PowerPoint keeps when you've cropped or edited images inside the presentation. That means the original hidden image data won't continue to take up space in your file. Just keep in mind that once this data is discarded, those image edits may not be easily reversible later. So it's a good idea to save a backup copy first if you think you might need to make changes. Next, reduce the resolution. Lowering image resolution helps shrink the overall size of the file because the images will be stored in a more compressed format. This is especially helpful if your presentation contains a lot of photos or screenshots. Choose a resolution that still looks good for how you plan to use the presentation. For example, if it will mostly be viewed on a screen, a lower resolution is often perfectly fine. Once you've made those changes, save your presentation so the new settings can take effect. That's it. By adjusting image size and quality settings, discarding editing data, and reducing image resolution, you can quickly make your PowerPoint files smaller and much easier to share.